The digital age has revolutionized the publishing industry, empowering authors to take control of their destinies. Self-publishing has become a viable and lucrative path for writers to reach a global audience. However, with millions of books available online, visibility is paramount. This is where Amazon Ads emerges as a game-changer for authors seeking to stand out from the crowd and boost their book sales. Amazon, being the world's largest online retailer, offers an unparalleled platform for authors to connect with their target readers. Amazon Ads, with its sophisticated targeting options, enables authors to put their books directly in front of readers who are actively searching for their genre or specific keywords. This targeted approach ensures that your advertising budget is spent efficiently, reaching the right audience at the right time. The 2024 Author Income Survey revealed that authors who utilized Amazon Ads effectively experienced a significant increase in book sales and overall income compared to those who did not. The survey highlighted the importance of incorporating paid advertising strategies into an author's marketing plan to achieve sustainable success in the competitive world of self-publishing. These findings underscore the transformative potential of Amazon Ads for authors looking to elevate their author platform and achieve their financial goals. Authors like Mark Dawson, a New York Times best-selling thriller author, attribute a significant portion of their success to the strategic use of Amazon Ads. Dawson, a vocal advocate for the power of paid advertising, has built a multi-million-dollar author business by leveraging the reach and precision targeting of Amazon Ads. His story serves as a testament to the fact that with the right knowledge and strategies, authors can harness the power of Amazon Ads to achieve remarkable results. Mastering Amazon Ads requires a deep understanding of your target audience and the keywords they use to find books like yours. Thorough keyword research is essential for creating effective ad campaigns that resonate with potential readers. Utilize Amazon's search bar suggestions and explore keyword research tools to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords to target in your campaigns. Once you have identified your target keywords, it's crucial to craft compelling ad copy that grabs attention and entices readers to click. Highlight the unique aspects of your book, pique readers' curiosity, and include a clear call to action. Experiment with different ad copy variations to determine what resonates best with your target audience and drives the highest click-through rates. Setting a realistic budget and closely monitoring your ad spend is crucial for maximizing your return on investment. Start with a small daily budget and gradually increase it as you gather data and identify what works best. Regularly analyze your campaign performance metrics, such as click-through rate and conversion rate, to optimize your bids and ensure that your ads are delivering a positive return. One of the most common mistakes authors make is neglecting to define their target audience clearly. Without a clear understanding of who your ideal reader is, your ad campaigns will lack focus and fail to resonate with the right people. Invest time in creating detailed reader personas to guide your advertising efforts and ensure that your ads are reaching the most receptive audience. Another pitfall is failing to track and analyze campaign data. Amazon Ads provides a wealth of data that can provide valuable insights into your target audience's behavior and preferences. Regularly monitor your campaign performance metrics to identify areas for improvement, adjust your bids, and optimize your ad copy for better results. Poor ad copy is another common culprit behind ineffective Amazon Ads campaigns. Your ad copy should be engaging, informative, and persuasive, enticing readers to click through to your book's sales page. Avoid generic or vague language and instead, highlight the unique aspects of your book that set it apart from the competition. Section 4. Navigating the Amazon Ads landscape. Amazon offers various ad types, each with its strengths and ideal use cases. Sponsored product ads are the most common type, appearing within search results and product detail pages. These ads are effective for driving visibility and sales, especially when targeting relevant keywords. Sponsored brand ads, on the other hand, offer greater branding opportunities. These ads appear at the top of search results pages and allow you to showcase your brand logo, a custom headline, and multiple products. Sponsored brand ads are ideal for increasing brand awareness and driving traffic to your Amazon author page or a curated selection of your books. Product display ads are another powerful tool in the Amazon Ads arsenal. These ads target shoppers based on their interests and shopping behavior, appearing on product detail pages and other relevant placements. Product display ads are effective for reaching readers who have shown interest in similar books or genres. Section 5. Resources and tools for maximum impact. Numerous tools and resources are available to help authors navigate the complexities of Amazon ads and streamline their advertising efforts. Amazon Brand Analytics provides valuable data on customer search terms, competitor performance, and shopping behavior, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Third-party tools like Helium 10 and Publisher Rocket offer advanced keyword research capabilities, competitor analysis, and campaign management features. These tools can save you time and effort while providing valuable insights to optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Joining author communities and online forums dedicated to Amazon ads can provide a wealth of knowledge, support, and shared experiences. Engaging with fellow authors can provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies to enhance your advertising efforts. Remember, success in the world of self-publishing is a journey, and learning from others who have navigated the path before you can be invaluable.